We do have the fan on. Yeah, peekaboo to the good people. Aw, lovely Dolly. You are a pretty girl. Yeah, Dolly. I know you want to say so many more big sentences, and you do. That was a mime, was it? I love the way she does that. We work out, you got a little scratchy itch. I just feel like a random preen. Oh, you pulled it. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Yes. You got that loose feather out. You're just gorgeous. You are pretty. Yeah. Yeah, I know. This is a new show. It's called Rules of Engagement. Do you like this show? Yeah. Well, yeah, they are good people. She's pretty. And he's... Yeah. Oh, Dolly. You are a pretty girl, Dolly. Peekaboo, pick a people. She was just mimicking me. Um, Gecko. Oh, big stretch. Time for aerobics. There's lots of room in there, guys, for her to stretch out. Yeah. Oh, what's under there? What you got under your wing? A little scratch time. A little tummy scratch time. Alright, love you, Dolly. I'm gonna pop this up so the good people can say hello. And love to everyone, guys. Take care. Be kind. Bye for now.